Great Goliath Games. It was really fun. When he popped on your turn, I think they were really fun. Catch the fox one. Because I like his undies, like his pants fall down and then he says, chicken undies, I like Rubik race. Rubik's race. Because if you win, I love when you when the thing falls down on you and make the same pattern. Because I like it when you can pick them up and put them into a different space by cheating. My favourite game of all of them was Loopin Louie. I pushed the lever and then it went over to the other side because he smashes the chickens down and they all fall down. And you won, and I liked when you won.